So, all right, my name is Anna Mae Canwar, freshly married Canwar. I have a 7-year, 8-year history with Time to Heal. Through working with Andrew and working with Time to Heal, I learned about my amazing ability to sabotage my own life and that I had created a giant pile of crap. Self-created crap. Oh, it's so much fun. It's very humbling. I was depressed and I was desperate. I remember looking out the window and just thinking, there's got to be something better than this. And I looked down and I saw drool on my shirt and I just thought, like, no, my life can't end like this. This can't be. There is always a lower point you can go to. And I managed to drive my life down far, really low. It didn't have to be that way, but that's all I knew how to do. I did the workshops with Time to Heal, workshop 1 and 2, and I also got a life reading. I learned to navigate when I was about to sabotage myself, and I learned to rise in every occasion. Once you feel like you've hit bottom, and you feel like no one can help you, you've gone to counselors and you've told them everything that they want you to say to them in order to be like, oh no, you're getting healthy, you're getting better now, but you still feel hopeless and depressed and like life's not worth living. Time to Heal is the place that you can go to that's gonna stop believing what you want them to hear and start hearing what you're not saying. And they'll hold you to that. And the whole community will hold you to who you truly are and who you can truly be. And I have a whole new life. Now, I am married. I met an amazing man who didn't buy into any of my crap, and we're trying to have kids. We've done marriage counseling with Aaron and Andrew and Time to Heal. They've helped us set up an incredible foundation for our lives. I have a huge amount of gratitude to Aaron for these 8 years of my life to stabilize me and bring me into someone that can be standing in front of you and sharing openly. It's amazing. And Andrew was the first experience that I'd ever had of being loved unconditionally. It gave me a safe place to blossom and to truly grow. So the community and Andrew and Aaron is what taught me to be me. Yeah, there's help. You gotta work for it, but there's definitely help.